Hey, Adam here. Welcome to the exhilarating world of Gadget Explained, where technology takes center stage and the nerdy fun never ends. Step into a world where innovation and functionality converge, where the Redragon Azure K652 takes center stage as a luminary in the dynamic realm of mechanical keyboards. The Azure K652 is a wireless mechanical keyboard with 84 low-profile keys, offering a smooth and responsive typing experience. The term low-profile keys refers to keys that have a shorter height compared to traditional mechanical keys. This design provides a sleeker and more compact keyboard layout. The keyboard's 75% compact layout eliminates the numpad, which is the numeric keypad usually found on the right side of full-sized keyboards. By removing the numpad, the Azure K652 provides more space for mouse movement, making it ideal for gamers and users who value a larger mouse area. However, it still includes essential function keys and control keys for convenience. The K652 can be used via USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. You can also switch between Windows and Mac keyboard layouts. This Azure K652 keyboard comes with low-profile double-shot ABS keycaps and standard Redragon Azure brown 3-pin switches, but you can also get them in Azure Red, Azure Blue and Azure Low-Profile Red. The Azure K652 has an aluminum top plate and weighs 497 grams and measures 32 cm long x 12.5 cm deep. With the feet risers, the height of the keyboard is 3 cm and 2.5 cm high without the feet risers. The Azure K652 comes with multiple accessories, including a complete set of keycaps, a switch, keycap metal puller, Velcro strap, 2.4 GHz dongle, and a 1.2 meter long USB-C cable. Next up, it's the RGB light show, followed by the key sound test, shake test, and the unboxing with the all-important user guide. Enjoy and stay awesome.